In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to disable Windows 11 Recall with BCWipe Privacy Guard. Recall is a new AI tool integrated into Windows 11 Copilot plus PCs. Designed to simplify your life by capturing snapshots of your activities, every 5 seconds, Recall takes a snapshot of your screen whenever content changes, storing these images locally on your drive. Despite its convenience, Recall raises privacy concerns regarding the protection of sensitive data such as passwords, personally identifiable information, and financial information. Experts are particularly concerned about how data is stored, who can access it, and the potential for misuse. To check if Recall is installed on your device, open the Windows Start menu, type Recall in the search bar. If the app appears, the feature is installed. If nothing appears, the feature is not installed. Here's how you can disable Windows 11 Recall with BCWipe Privacy Guard. Launch BCWipe Privacy Guard. Toggle on Use Jetico recommended settings, and you will see the Windows Permissions tab and the Activity History section. Ensure Windows 11 Recall is turned off. If it is on, switch it off. Also, you can click Delete, Wipe Snapshot Database to securely erase existing snapshots. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to disable Windows 11 Recall with BCWipe Privacy Guard. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.